Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about safety valve mechanism. Safety valve mechanism is a natural mechanism by which the maxilla and mandible maintains proper occlusion during growth. The key structure acting as safety valve is the maxillary intercanine width. Now let's discuss the difference in growth of maxilla and mandible. After birth, the maxilla and mandible do not grow equally. Maxilla being closer to the cranium completes its sagittal growth earlier. The mandible continues to grow for a longer period and at a faster rate. This creates a mismatch in the horizontal or sagittal growth. Now comes the important part, the role of intercanine width. The mandibular intercanine width completes growth earlier around 9 to 10 years, but the maxillary intercanine width continues to grow and may extend up to 12 to 16 years. Because the mandible keeps growing forward rapidly, the maxillary intercanine width adjusts accordingly. Why is it called safety valve? The maxillary intercanine width acts as a compensatory mechanism. It maintains proper occlusion, adjusts to mandibular growth, prevent abnormal sagittal mandibular growth from disturbing occlusion. This protective adaptation is called safety valve mechanism. So that's safety valve mechanism, a beautiful natural adaptation that helps to maintain harmony between jaws during growth. Thank you.